Summon is a research tool that allows you to search the library's collection through one single search box. It provides a Google-like search experience to help you discover credible and reliable library content. Summon is the default search box on the library homepage. You can see this in the center of the page. You may ask yourself, what are you searching when you search Summon? Well, Summon searches the library's collection for print books and ebooks, journal and magazine articles, newspaper articles, encyclopedias, dictionaries, and other reference materials. Summon can be used by the novice or advanced searchers alike, and it's a good place to start your research as you can search the entire library collection in one place and get a good sense of what materials the library has to offer on your research topic. So you can start doing your research by just typing in your keywords in this generic search box, or you can click on more search options to do an advanced search. But for this, I'm just going to do a general search to show you how Summon works. So I'm going to do a search on library research. If I were doing a topic based on my career choice as a librarian, this might be something I would be looking up. And then you hit search. It's going to bring you into Summon. It takes a moment to load the page. It's going to show me how many results it has found and what type of results it has located for me. Okay, so you can see it brought up a lot of results. As I hover over here on the left, it brings up numbers next to each type of content. So if I were only looking, say, for full text articles online, I can click on that. And that's going to bring that number down a little bit. And as you see, those numbers still go down. If I'm only looking for journal articles, let's say, I can click on this. Okay, and that's going to refine that a little bit as well. And as I scroll down, you'll see it'll list what types of disciplines these articles are coming from. You can click on more options to bring up more. If I were only looking on, let's say, the business aspect of library research, I could select this, or the biology, but since I'm not really refining it that way, I'm not going to select one of these. You'll see a drag bar here for publication date. You can bring this over if you're only looking, let's say, for the last few years. You can bring this up into the 2000s here and refine your search that way, and it'll update the results for you. And as you scroll down, there are a few other options for subject terms or language refinements. Okay, so this has brought this down to a smaller number, still a pretty large number to go through. It's going to suggest a few databases that you might want to search. And also, if you hover over the title, it'll bring up an abstract where you can read a little bit about what these articles contain. If you wanted to read the entire article, you would click on that blue title link, and it'll bring you directly into the database or the catalog or wherever this item is located. Okay, so you can read the entire text here. And you'll notice on the right there are tools here to print it, email it to yourself. There's help for citation. You can click on the citation and it'll develop a citation for you. Okay, I'm going to close this out and show you some of the other results. Since I put in such a general topic of library resource, this is bringing up all sorts of different articles and every aspect of research. Okay, you're obviously going to have a more refined search, but I want to give you a quick overview of how to search Summon. Okay, so you can do this the same, hover over, read an abstract if there is one contained, click on the title, and it'll bring you into the actual record. Okay. Now conversely, if I were not looking for journal articles and I would rather use a book source, I'm going to unselect these refinements on the left. Okay. And rather than select full text online, I'm going to select a library catalog. So this will be searching for books or ebooks in the library catalog. And once it does that for me, it's going to tell me where this book is located, whether or not it's available, what the call number is, and which campus owns it. So I could go to the shelf at North Campus and find this book on the shelf. Okay, it's also bringing up some e-journals or some e-books, which you may want to use if you are off campus. Okay, and that is the quick and dirty research on Summon.